Hello, welcome to the new video. Today we will make a gear. Let's start the video. Select the front plane, sketch on it, select circle, draw a circle, give the dimension 24 mm, draw a second circle, give the dimension as 30 mm. Now draw a line like this. This is the central line which is vertical. Now draw a second horizontal line, a small line like this. Now select the midpoint of the horizontal line and this vertical center line and make as midpoint. Now give the dimension to this line as 2 mm and we will fix this line from the center. We will give the dimension this line from the center is 20 mm like this. Select 3-point arc and draw like this, first to the point and second to the circumference on circle, and draw like this. Now we will make a mirror of this arc. Select the arc and mirror about this central line. This will be make a teeth of our gear. Now we have to fix. Give the dimension of that point is 5.35. Now it is fixed now. So we have to give round of teeth. So we will make a circular sketch pattern. Click on the circular sketch pattern. Now select this part to be circulate around the circle. Now we will make 12 teeth. Give the 12 number and click on the right. So our next step is to trim this part which is incomplete. So trim it. Now we have completed the trim part. We have give a dimensions. We have incomplete one dimensions. Give the dimension to the arc as 10 millimeters. Now this is the full defined sketch. We have to extrude it. Click on the feature tab. Click on extrude. Select the mid plane and extrude by it like 10 mm and click on the right. This is our gear. If you like this video, subscribe the channel. For more valuable content, go to the channel. Thank you.